Owning a vehicle like this is akin to preserving a piece of automotive heritage. It bridges the gap between then and now, between past innovation and modern capability, and between classic style and performance that doesn't feel dated or limited. It is a reminder that the joy of motoring isn't just about speed or luxury. It's about connection to history, to craftsmanship, to personal memories, and to the open road ahead. This 1961 Chevrolet C-10 pickup, restored, upgraded, and brought into a new era, is more than a classic truck. It is a story on wheels, an experience to cherish, and a machine that honors its roots while adapting to the present. It stands ready to continue its journey with a new owner, someone who will appreciate its lineage, respect its enhancements, and feel the pride that comes with driving a beautifully restored piece of American history. Frame off restored. GM350 CI Crate V8. TH350 automatic for W disc. PS PB a C. 1961 Chevrolet C-10 pickup. VIN 1C144 and 103784. Check out this classic Chevrolet C-10 pickup. This truck has been completely frame-off restored with no expense spared. This truck has been finished in a beautiful black with a custom hood and chrome accents. Under the hood of this pickup is a GM350 CI V8, fitted with a 4-barrel carburetor. Power is sent to the rear wheels through a 10-bolt rear end with 3.50 to 1 gears and a TH350 3-speed automatic transmission. This truck is also equipped with an aluminum driveshaft, Magnaflow Stainless Steel Mufflers for wheel power disc brakes, and the oak bed flooring. The interior of this truck has been completely redone with no expense spared. The interior is finished in a custom red vinyl and is equipped with new door panels and headliner. On the dash is a custom tilt steering column, custom gauges, and an upgraded audio system. This interior also features a custom center console that includes cupholders. Underneath this pickup is a black painted frame and dual stainless exhaust. This truck is ready to hit the show or the street.